mywealth.com. I'm Bob O'Brien, the head instructor with the courses. Welcome to the blog for the day. Why the $8,000 home rebate will be extended. And one of the big kicks in the economy, or one of the things that's really stopped the bleeding in this economic crisis has been the credit that first-time home owners get for buying a home. $8,000 they get. It comes to them on their tax return and so forth. And there's a lot of areas of the country where the real estate market has really been a savior for them. And I want to talk to you today about why I think that this rebate will be extended through 2010. We'll be coming to an end November 30th, but I think it's going to be extended through next year.
Be certain to check out the written blog at www.mywealth.com/blog. Got some links in for you. There's also the question of the week, so make certain that you check that out. Moving into 2010, this economy is really not ready for the end of the government backstops. And this has really been, what's helped create the stock market rally that we've seen this year. And, of course, in the break in the recession and coming out of the recession. Now, as long as that's happening by, government promotion of the economy through fiscal and monetary stimulus, we may see another recession. Now, the rebate program may look a little different in 2010. Of course, it was changed. It was an $8,000 refundable credit. Prior to that, the year before, it was a $7,500 interest-free loan. So it could be lowered. There's a lot of people in the real estate industry lobbying for it to be for people of higher income and so forth. I don't think that's going to happen, and it could be lower than the $8,000. So it'll be interesting to see. But the bottom line here is foreclosures are still at all-time highs and probably won't be peaking until the year 2010. So the government is really, on the one end, they're bringing people into the market, and on the other end, people are leaving the market in the form of foreclosure. So it's obviously a real challenge, and will continue to be. The crash has definitely subsided, but the housing problem is going to be here to stay for quite some time, and it's just going to be interesting to see how everything unfolds. These are the type of things you definitely want to stay on top of, and these are the things we help you do in our courses. So don't wait, get educated, take control of your investing, get to www.mywealth.com.
If there's one thing you really want to take from this whole economic crisis, is that you want to realize that we are moving more and more into a global economy, and sort of the philosophy in the past is, for a lot of people, has been to get a good job with a pension and buy a home, and that's great. Home ownership is great, and it should be the goal for everyone. But you really need to be careful in terms of relying on real estate and people relying on real estate for their economic security. So definitely want to check out our investing course, our Investing 101 course, where you'll feel comfortable. A lot of people that go through our Investing 101 course are motivated to save a lot more money because they're comfortable with what they're doing with their money, as opposed to just throwing it at the stock market and so forth. So I look forward to seeing you in one of our courses. My name is Bob O'Brien, and have a great day.